3 steps in this Google Sheet I'm gonna to show you. Step 1. Insert and make. I have a list student and I need to show the profiles of the student through counseling. First, I click on cell and click insert. Then click and make and choose insert and make in cell. And after, click on this button. Scroll, choose your image from your computer. Finish, click open. Wait a minute. Alright, the result, the image of the student show in cell. You can resize the image size of this row. You can do like this. Okay, again, I will show you if you want to add one more photos in the cell. Click insert, click image and choose this button. Click browse, scroll down, choose the photo and open. Okay, the outcome of this insert, the photo in cell. Okay, with step 1 finish. Step 2, this is the example. If you want to make the rows or column to fix like this, I scroll down. You know that the first column is fixed. And one more I want to show you here. If you scroll to the right, it means 3 columns doesn't hide. Okay, let's start to preset it together. Okay, this is normal before we adjust the first pen. Alright, if I want to make the 3 column fixed, I just do like that. Click on it and move to the right. Now this after you adjust. Okay, the result 3 column head fixed. Okay, one more example. I want to make the header fixed. Only 1 rows. Okay, the same preset at the moment. You can click on this and pull down. Okay, you see already. That's the result. Okay, we see that the result 1 row head fixed. Okay, with this step you can try and testing with the freeze pen in the Google Sheet. And one more, you want to remove the freeze pen. You just do like that. I click on here, this, and move to the top. Okay, check the result after you remove the freeze pen. And one more, you want to remove the columns that you set the freeze pen. You can do like this. Click on it and pull to the left. Okay, with the preset and remove the freeze pen is ready. With the step 2 finished. Step 3. I will show you how to make group in the Google Sheet. I have 2 months, January and February, and I want to group some columns that I want to show in this list. Okay, first you want to group, you just select the column that you want to group. And after right click, scroll down and click on View More Column Action. And next, click on this button, Groups Columns F2I. Okay, you can test the result. Click on these buttons to group columns that you set at the moment. And with this 2 months, you can set the same. First, select the column that you want to group. Right click and scroll down. Click on View More Column Action and click Group Columns Case to End. Okay, you can click on these buttons to group the column that you set. And if you want to remove the group, you just right click on this button and choose Remove Group. And with this place the same, just right click and click Remove Group. Okay, with the step 3 finish. Thank you for your listening. See you next video.